Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you find this video in best of health. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about converting your Word files to PDF or PDF files to Word format, and that too from your mobile phone, and you don't even need a computer to do so. So let's get started. First you need to do is tap on your Explorer, as it is Chrome in my case. After this, you need to go on the website pdfonline.com. Okay, on this website you can see the options appearing here. So first we are gonna try out PDF to Word. Okay, so now it says just click on or tap on the PDF to Word box and upload your file. So we find it, and here it is, PDF to Word box. We're gonna tap it. Okay, so here is the file, education curriculum MCQs. The last file, it is in PDF format. As you can see a PDF icon beside it, so I'm gonna select it. Okay, now it says the document is ready, and it gives you option here, download. So we are gonna tap on download. Now it says download Word file. So now you're gonna tap on it here, and now it has started downloading, and you can see now. So now you can see that it is downloaded and it is in Word format. I'm gonna show you how it looked like in PDF as well. So just to make sure that you can see that it is, now it's also appearing my recent file. Here it is, the third one. Here it is. So I'm gonna open it. So you see it's a PDF file, and you can see the formatting here, and it's converted Word format version which we have. So here it is.